So the Renewable Heat Incentive was launched at the end of November last year by the government to try and meet their target of 12% of heat produced from renewables by 2020, which is all part of the target that all the 27 member states of the EU are working towards. 20% of all energy to come from renewables. Sweden is at the top of the league with 46%, I think. I think we're around 3 or 4% at the moment. So, and our target is only 15, not even the average 20. So, but that's the driver for the feed-in tariff that we saw introduced a couple of years ago, and now the renewable heat incentive introduced in November last year. The RHI renewable heat incentive covers ground source heat pumps, biomass, solar thermal, biomethane and biogas combustion. So those are the technologies. And at the moment I'm talking about non-domestic because there's a difference between the RHI non-domestic and the domestic, which I'll cover in a slide in a minute. So the RHI is an incentive that rewards property owners for installing and producing renewable heat. And the output needs to be metered with readings taken quarterly and reported, and payments are made in relation to the amount of metered heat. And the payments are made quarterly over 20 years.
Is it index linked at all to the RPI or the CPI?
It is index linked, yes. Yeah, as the, sorry? I think it's the RPI. So the other big factor, obviously, is that we have escalating fossil fuel costs. In the year to November last year, global gas prices increased by nearly 40%. Price of oil has quadrupled over the last 10 years. And the cost of heating oil has risen by 58% over the past 2 years. And then obviously there's also a lot of concern about the security of supply of fossil fuels. So that's the other very important contributing factor. The eligible organizations for the RHI, industrial, commercial, public sector, not-for-profit, community. So it's very broad organization, basically. So, as I said, the opportunity for both reducing heating costs and the quarterly RHI payments for 20 years. Ecoliving is a recognized supplier with a scheme called the Energy Efficiency Financing Scheme, which can provide funding for the initial capital cost of the installation. And this is a scheme that's been, the Energy Efficiency Financing Scheme is set up by Siemens Financial Services and the Carbon Trust. So we're able to look at various options like lease finance and even unsecured loans. The organization needs to have been trading for 3 years, and it needs a reasonably strong balance sheet. But there's a process there where within a few days, with the right information, we can turn around a yay or nay in terms of whether it's worth taking further. And then the energy saving and the RHI income need to cover the repayments over the term of the financing.